In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Miro app for Zoom. Whether you're working remotely or collaborating with a distributed team, integrating these two powerful tools can greatly enhance your productivity and teamwork. So let's get started on making your meetings more visually engaging and interactive. First, open your Miro board. You'll notice a plus button on the left side of the screen. This is your gateway to enhancing your board with apps and integrations, so go ahead and click on that plus button. Once you've clicked, you'll see an option called Marketplace. This is where you can find a variety of apps to enhance your Miro experience. Select Marketplace. In the Marketplace search bar, type in Zoom to filter out the relevant applications that connect Miro with Zoom. After performing the search, you'll see an option called Miro for Zoom. Clicking on this takes you to a new window where you can begin the installation and integration process. Next, you need to log into your Zoom account. This step is crucial because allowing the apps to communicate is what will enable you to use Miro during your Zoom meetings. Once you've logged in, you'll see a prompt asking for permission to use your shared access permissions. This is standard, and it's safe to click on Allow this app to use my shared access permissions. After that, you'll simply click Allow in the confirmation dialog. Following these steps may prompt you to open your Zoom Meetings application. This is because the integration needs to confirm your Zoom session to proceed further. When prompted, go ahead and open the Zoom app and then click on Sign in to Miro. This ensures that the app knows who you are and what boards you may want to access within your meetings. Now you will need to add the Miro app for Zoom by clicking on Add and Allow. This will officially integrate the app within your Zoom environment, making it part of your Zoom meeting toolkit. Once again, you may find that you're prompted to open your Zoom app, confirm if needed. Within the Zoom app, now that the Miro integration is complete, you have the option to pick a board to embed into your meetings. Choose the board that you want to share in the meeting, as this will be the interactive workspace for your team. Once you've selected your board, click on the Embed Board button. This action will ensure that your Miro board is live and accessible during your Zoom session. And that's it. You can now access your Miro board directly within your Zoom meetings. This seamless integration allows you to collaborate more dynamically and can significantly enhance the way you and your team engage in discussions and brainstorming sessions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps bring new levels of productivity to your virtual meetings.